What's going on here?
Okay, so those four are together. There's two superheroes and a fireman and one enemy, and they meet up and become friends, and apparently they killed Power Ranger, and then it starts to rain, and then they head to the ocean where it's raining there, and then someone drowns, and then someone goes to save them, and then there's about 30 seconds more of that.
Okay, ready? Action. Oh, watch where you're going. All right, cut.